Hello, today we are going to make this makeup bag. It's going to be very beautiful and very interesting. So let's begin. We are going to need our zipper, our fabric, and our lining. We are also going to need our handle because the makeup bag is going to have a handle. Our measurements is going to be 13 inches by 9 inches. So we are going to attach our kitenge fabric with the plain fabric. You can use the plain fabric or any kind of fabric that you want. So I'm joining this kitenge fabric with our plain fabric. So just to confirm the measurement 13 by 9, we are going to sew the zipper. You place the zipper facing down on the fabric, and then you add our lining, you pin, then you sew. After that, you turn the fabric and then you top stitch. So we are going to add another fabric. You put the zipper between, and then our lining and our fabric, you pin, and then you sew the way you have done the first fabric. You open, then you top stitch. So we are going to put the small handle. It is an optional, so you can put the way I'm doing. You fold and then you place on the zipper. So we are going to fold our material together, our main fabric together and our lining together. At the bottom, you secure with your pins. Then you sew at the bottom the way I'm doing. We are also going to sew on our lining. So just hold the bag the way I'm doing, so that the joint faces the zipper, both the joint of the lining and the joint of the material. So let it face the zipper and then you secure with pins, just as I'm doing. Next, we are going to measure 2 inches by 2 inches on the 4 edges. You measure 2 inches by 2 inches. and then you cut it off. After that, you sew on the middle. Then we are going to turn our bag outside. You turn it outside, and then we are going to hold the edges. You hold both the material, the fabric and the lining, and then you attach our handle. So we are going to secure with pins, and then we sew. Make sure you hold the lining, the material, and the handle. We are going to repeat the same on the other side. You hold together the lining, the fabric, and the handle, secure with pins, and then you sew. The other edges we are just going to sew. Make sure you are holding the lining and the fabric, and then we are going to turn inside out the way I'm doing. It is going to have the French seam. So we are going to hold the place that you have sewn the edges, and then you sew that area on both sides. Now we are going to change our bag out. It is done. Very nice and beautiful. If you like the video, go ahead, like and subscribe. See you in our next project. Bye.